My name is Shazwina. So this is the introduction. The improper disposal of household waste, particularly used cooking oil, has emerged as a significant concern in contemporary communities. Many individuals unknowingly pour leftover oil down kitchen sinks, obviously to the environmental harm it inflicts. This waste does not simply vanish, rather it travels through drainage system and accumulate in waterways, leading to severe blockage and pollution. One of the most alarming consequences is that oil forms a thick layer on the surface of water, inhibiting oxygen absorption. The deficiency disrupts the natural ecosystem, resulting in the death of beneficial bacteria and aquatic life that depend on oxygen for survival. Over time, the situation leads to stagnant water that emits unpleasant odors and become a breeding ground for pests such as mosquitoes and cockroaches. Addressing the issue is essential as it not only impacts the cleanliness of our homes and drains but also contributes to broader problems like water pollution, public health risks, and increased maintenance costs for local authorities. If left unchecked, this seemingly minor daily action can lead to long-term environmental degradation. Thus, managing used cooking oil through simple, eco-friendly solution is vital. By raising awareness and introducing practical tools like the oil blocker, we can take meaningful steps toward safeguarding our drainage system, preserving the environment, and promoting healthier living space.
Assalamualaikum, and my name is Ain Farhal Mina binti Ahmad Nazri. I'm going to explain about the product and system design. So this product developed for this project is called oil blocker, a filtration device designed to prevent used cooking oil from entering kitchen drains. The name reflects its primary function, which is block and trap oil before it flows into the drainage system. This innovation utilizes recycled household materials, presenting a sustainable and cost-effective solution that promotes environmental awareness in the kitchen activity. The design of the oil blocker features a funnel-like structure made from the top part of the recycled plastic bottle. Inside the funnel, there are three key filtration layers. The first layer is a piece of sponge or cotton cloth, which traps food particles and solid waste. The second layer consists of used coffee ground or clean sand, functioning as an absorbent to trap oil droplets. The third and the final layer is a piece of plastic netting or mesh that maintain the structure and filter out any remaining residue. This layer collaboratively clean and waste water before it enters the drains. To use the oil blocker, user place it over or under the kitchen sink hole or drain opening. As the wastewater and leftover oil are poured into the funnel, the filtration layers separate the oil and debris from the water. Cleaner water flow out into the drain, while the oil and the solid waste remain trapped in the oil blocker. The filter material can be removed and cleaned or replaced weekly, facilitating reuse and convenience.
Hi, I'm Sarah. For the business potential of oil blocker, the oil blocker product presents significant business potential due to its practicality, affordability, and environmental advantages. Its primary target user encompasses homeowners, especially those who cook regularly, small food vendors such as gerai and warung, as well as student dormitories, community kitchens, and school. This group often encounter clogged drain and may not realize that using cooking oil is a key of contributing factor. By offering a cost-effective and eco-friendly solution, oil blocker effectively address a genuine need in the market. Regarding the production cost, oil blocker can be made from recycled and readily available material including plastic bottle, sponge, and coffee grounds. The estimated production cost per unit range from RM1 to RM2, depending on the source of the material. This enables a profitable yet affordable retail price, ideally set between RM5 and RM8 per unit. The low-cost production also facilitates opportunities for mass manufacturing through community workshop or school-based mini enterprise. For marketing strategy, oil blocker can be promoted through environmental campaigns and social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Collaborating with recycling center or local municipal council can further enhance visibility. Product demonstration at school, pasar malam or eco bazaar will also help raise awareness. Eco labels or gold green packaging may attract environmentally conscious customers. With the growing interest in sustainability living and minimal barriers to entry, oil blocker has the potential to thrive as a profitable and impactful green product in the local market.
My name is Asma. So for sustainability and environmental impact of the oil blocker project is a strong advocate for sustainability and makes a positive contribution to environmental health. It promotes the reuse of household waste material such as plastic bottles, used sponge and coffee grounds, which would otherwise end up in the landfills. By transforming these items into functional product, oil blocker not only reduces domestic solid waste but also encourages the concept of upcycling, giving new life and purpose of discarded materials. This approach minimizes resource consumption and fosters greater awareness of the importance of waste segregation and reuse at home. In terms of environmental impact, oil blocker plays an essential role in safeguarding water quality. When cooking oil is poured directly down kitchen sinks, it accumulates in the drainage system, forming a sticky residue that traps other waste. This results in clogged pipes, unpleasant odors, and stagnant water, contributing to local pollution. More critically, oil floating on water surfaces prevent oxygen from entering, disrupting aquatic ecosystem and harming beneficial microorganisms. By filtering oil before it can enter the drain, oil blocker helps mitigate water pollution, preserve oxygen levels in waterways, and prevent long-term environmental degradation. Moreover, the product encourages eco-friendly practices in daily kitchen routines, particularly among younger generation. It empowers individuals and communities to take meaningful small action toward environmental stewardship. Over time, the widespread adoption of oil blocker can alleviate pressure on municipal water system and contribute to the vision of cleaner, greener, and more sustainable future.
Hi, I am Siti Aisha, and for the conclusion, the oil blocker represents an innovative and practical solution to the widespread issue of improper cooking oil disposal. Constructed from simple recycled material, this product aids in reducing household waste, preventing clogged drains, and minimizing water pollution. It also fosters awareness around sustainable living and encourage users to adopt more responsible practice in their daily kitchen routines. The environmental benefits of the oil blocker are considerable. It contributes to cleaner drainage system, alleviate unpleasant odors, and safeguard aquatic ecosystem by preventing oil from obstructing oxygen flow in waterway. Its affordable design make it a suitable choice for various settings, including homes, small business, dormitories, and schools. Moreover, the oil blocker has the potential to expand its reach as a green product that promotes environmental education and community involvement. It demonstrates that through creativity and a commitment to the environment, even small action can result in significant change. Overall, the oil blocker is more than just product. It represents a step toward building a more sustainable and eco-conscious society.